Hey guys, this is Skywarp doing another video. I got another knife that's on loan by Lone Star Knife and Gallery and Gear in Texas. And well, let's just say I got a discontinued model by Kershaw. This is the LAHAR lumbar, and it has VG10 steel with G10 scales and nice looking pocket clip. It's got a, whoa, almost got myself there. I want to do that. It's got 3.75 inch, 3.2 inch handle right here, and blade length. Actually, no, it's blade length. My bad. And 3.2 inches on the blade, and 4/8 closed. Overall, 8.8 inches long. Sorry for that. There you go, guys. The LAHAR been discontinued by Kershaw. Hope you like this video. Please rate and comment and subscribe.